North and South to say, me attack Mahama because 91.9 government de meka me try see a bit tria meka any intimate me. 10 months. 10 months in government. What do you expect Mahama to do? I mean, criticize. Right. We have to be fair. 10 months. What do you say? Na banchekura no do ya. So we should allow. But I'm not saying say be a bibi kochua. We shouldn't say it. Right. Maybe I'm focusing on my primaries. But again, when they say that, it means they miss Kennedy Agyapong. You know, I don't know who first. Tinabi says, "Oh, have fine, might be or done number one. Now the six woman number one."
Yes, Abusian for Sewutie and some Kennedy Agyapong Kenya. The opposition Kenya and say Mahama buying a buy and cherry. Inti as a potential opposition leader no on yase bia kafa Mahama. It is funny, but what can we do? I will say you know second Japan airborne to an occupy mo northern region. Na ene no moko eye ni interview e was spare FM. Na home na Kennedy Japan ba be chire mu say no it is not right time and as I don't know he's not ready. So be criticize say Papa, your friend John Mahama, because according to him, Mahama, a friend would di Bosumi edu pepe and wa buying mu entino. There is no reason to criticize him because according to him, Mahama abino a jumoya and funso be any more so be criticizing. This is our potential flag bearer. Now and some more can you see already what he's concentrating is about the premise. And yet the opposition, and I said the opponent party, now by aye and all can wasem. So my boy video now is a percent more chilemo. Now yenti and some for us I can edit to a bontain and simply more kaya other issues so raising up. And some of his concerns are all can edia far NPP and the northern region as its own. Right. If I can't say the man is a very tribal. Anytime that he talks, he brings in tribal discussions and other things. But when person wa ankasa wuntie and some papa na kaye na fa bi tu ko to dwem o delegate bi one channel friend is omra no metie the man who is demanding to be voted in as the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Yam konin konkotie ye ba ne asanto so hi Ras Media. Un subscribe na wa subscribe na do sense adoma no so. Na wa like video na wa share amabafo so anya bi atie yen kom na se share adwuma me medidi obi atem me beka ne ametimi aye nuanom bi dirty politics enra Salaga no Council of Elder be sorry no ka say na oba abehwe abetie mi say me medidi nkofo atemu because ya beka kire nse me didi nkofo atemu yani ya party o atem didi enu bi ni say when I resist some my party enwujira ahaya why Abujinapo likes me and I like him Abujinapo oni eslausu onko kantamanto and they beat them. Nobody was bold to come out. So I came out and told them, say, and crying, hey, I'm a stronghold. Namo book NPP for there. And so Ashanti region, hey, a stronghold. Yababu NDC for controversy and try media for to be a cry at the koi. It charged me treason for defending MPP. I didn't know the Omon country MPP for. Sika must spend it from 1992. Ebe pim enne. Adenti na no de omu kan ho asem. Omu a omu banyina obie ni ho a watumi abo MPP ho katisem. From 1992 I have spent a lot of money on MPP. But that is not the issue. Sure. The issue is baby a Ghana edu. Baby a MPP edu no. Why na ye de no kwa ebeto abama no my brother what the trotro mu a yesi Kennedy Agyapong umfan mara ebeto amam what the bus from Tamale to Damangua Kennedy Agyapong ebeto amam wo bi aba Kennedy Agyapong ebeto amam asofofo ese Kennedy Agyapong malam fo ese Kennedy Agyapong in the MPP for power ne pe
anasa flag bearer a wokwa ontimi wini enti mesremo a mom yentie enye MPP fo nko ana ekoto aba no eye Ghana fo nyina Ghana fo no has made a choice and their choices Kennedy Agyapong dia mesremo people from the north mumma me opportunity to come and serve you. I'm not coming to lord myself over you. I'll be a servant, mayor akwa, but I'll be strict. Fertilizer no, ya be here fertilizer plant to her. Obia our better try say, obewia, media mechi watu move. Say, I was out the come kweni, now I'm farmer no, you are sacked. That is the only way you bet me a building country, nukure, any discipline. Ekuyafo yebema womu loan, no interest. Yemfa insihu bia enka ho. Fa bia wadwumanum. Ya the machines akese beba ya je asase no a. Ne de ama machines no clear ama. E clear mawa. Factory no a eba no. Womo eto nneoma na na wati asase no clear no ama. Ya nye insihu. By so doing ubohu say amanfo efedom be interested or yet 2 acres say no see me yet 10 or yet 10 or see me yet 100. That's the only way, because machines are abandoned. My brother, because for machine besia within 2 months about processing a unit, not 10 months now can I because of your style, agrarian style of agriculture, no farming now. Yes. But this time we'll go mechanized. Your water lake we are not utilizing it. Here. Irrigation. Yeah, the Bayer farms. Ama agro processing industries, you know. Aba. Any. Timesramo. Menya basa sa. To say binimo ya dirty politics. Oh, wakodi di NPP for tem. Any. Nini na ano. Enye no kure. Me kansi asemso. Me kasa 8 minutes. And we 30 seconds. You see, yes. We need unity in MPP. Without unity, all the 5 candidates, Baku winning a unity, we can't win the election.
Unity is key.
So we need unity. You see, me not master. And can someone can approach via me fire back.
Right.
But for the sake of unity, I have not responded. Because I feel so guilty, say, my baby do attempt as a presenter. Now me ba na me sa be pacho. That is why I've stayed away from sa in your way. We need to be united. Enti empenfo no a omo frefren kofo don't even go and meet him near And then you go opposition Wa ma osika to duane e dia na. Wo mo na tua mo school fees mama na. We have to be straight. Sa deception am why enye wo mu kwa ene ebo mu so mbedi positions wa ha mu so mbetimi adibi with opportunity that I'm going to give everybody ubo hu say yeah won so nyankopon ehira enti ma mu suro ehunahuna ena mo kwa be yom say enti wo mu kura no mu hunu ni bo o mu mfere say adwuma ni ha o mu mfere mo bedi post akese we nyina mo ntimi amfa nyuma ama ha ama youth na enya bi anye. Still you want to lord yourself over them and threatening them. I am surprised. But me catch polling station executives they have to be bold. Now we call now kotuaba obede who say we now tomorrow. And let me advise regional executives, constituency executives, anybody who hold post say offer obi threaten no a chance na un party ni because we me free say wo ye be you free mu election unim say ye better your primaries ni nyina wie ansa na your general election and this yi polling station free mu executive free mu say one to about
for the sake of primaries.
Yeah, for the sake of primaries. Don't forget say enye onu nkwa na oyi no oyo ba okun omu wo ma omu abusuafo omu wo namfofo. You're going to lose all those votes. Where Bema or Yeri or Namfofo or Busianfo or Ma, you're going to lose all those votes. In the master woman, sir, may you have free mono. And why may yes, a Democrat there. We should allow everybody to express his opinion and make his own choice.
Right.
Menuya.
Thank you very much. This program is also streaming live on all our online portals. You can download the SPFM mobile app on your Google Play Store, also on your Apple iOS store for Android and iPhone users respectively. Enupo as now fenu mobile a Jirma Keredio in Agyapong that are since Central Bo MP. Can I listen? If Fani Jibutu Party Etamo and Jankpara Momo Tanyo Kibito 2028. So Fagana Fente and Tafo Lakan Sanye Facebook, so yes, let's look at the performance of the New Patriotic Party in the just ended 2024 general elections. To the abysmal performance, in your opinion, Honorable, what do you think contributed to this abysmal performance by the New Patriotic Party?
You know, so many things, but Okanokra. For the sake of
yes, sure.
I'll leave it. What they are saying. But they all know why we lost, especially in the 5 northern regions. They know. And when you come to the south, they also know. There are several reasons. Am I elusive? But I don't want it to sound so because or about tribal politics, what they say, because we want unity in the party. And I'm not going to say, but obi a wokoto aba delegate bia no nyankopon sebi o ma na dwen nti onim ekwan a efa so a e ma ye lusu ye nti omu ankasa. And let me tell you, Ghana for so omu ye din a no ma fo mu ho adwene omu hunu delegate no omu nya politicians because wo hwe polls no a omu ya they be an undecided for and now say on kan adwene no.
Right. So looking at you preaching a unity, Kennedy Agyapong, if he's elected a flag bearer, what are you going to do to unite the party ahead of 2028?
Very simple. Say me call round me buy. What is a mabu bidding? What is a medidi obiatem?
Not at all.
So I'll have the confidence to call everybody on board. And now so we a leader. Now when to me enya fache hunhumwa. Fache hunhuma untumi enye leader. So me, I forgive everybody. Let's come together. Odia say, bia omwa guilty conscience. Over national executives and constituency executives, regional executives, oma di omu ye nyina no, yomu conscience. They know, say, baby a omu kono emwayen. But suban bia omu da nedi. The last election, and I'm using your station to tell them, say, anybody who offended me, media, wholeheartedly, I have forgiven them.
Wow.
We should come together and move this party.
All right. So, Honorable, rate the current government, John Dramani Mahama's government and his appointees. Are they doing well?
You know what? To tell you the truth, me. Say NPP for Kuram in how much more NDC? I don't even watch TV. I don't listen. I'm staying focused after my primary. But whatever they are doing, may jotu Nyoma down. At an appropriate time, we'll respond. And now, to tell you the truth, Matisse Michelle video he's not attacking Mahama because Omuko Kanwo, Salagan North and South to say. Me attack Mahama because government demika me transi betria meka and ya inti da minti 10 months 10 months in government. What do you expect Mahama to do? I mean, criticize.
Right.
We have to be fair. 10 months. What you say? Na banchekura no do ya. So we should allow. But I'm not saying say be a BB Kochua. We shouldn't say it.
Right.
Maybe I'm focusing on my primaries. But again, when they say that, it means they miss Kennedy Agyapong. Yeah, they miss Kennedy Agyapong. And they shot themselves on the foot. Say, all the defense I gave to NPP, mostly a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And then you want a man to go and criticize Mahama. me go criticizing nensa anya 11 sins now Bible no 10 commandments here be account na 11 I'm not going to do it.
All right, so thank you very much. So let's take your final message to delegates, especially delegates of Savannah region and the mountain.
Yeah, delegates was Savannah region me sremo me pamucho say mo mami chance na me lead MPP na me leading so we are going to win general election. A power near pay yempe just flag bearer enti so obi ho na ofiri ukurom kura na ontumi emwa ma winiya na se tumi near pay na nipa ni mfiri ukurom vote for the person yebetimi akoji power and this time sa edidija no emabiem okọ na o pedwuma police amaba na eju 20,000 immigration 30,000 here under Kennedy Agyapong's government. No NPP appointee will even dare to charge MPP ni or pedwuma sika. The moment I hear say what you be you are fired. Now the luckiest say I answer my fire wo ebi o am do mbegu enunti no mo mpese o motoma me so dia I will not change my position because we need discipline and we need loyalty. We have to help our people. They make the forms to call round, the mamu delegates will be unfairly and no never record the people are Omabua MPP Abanti said you may be bar will refer to some forms, you know. Yes, you are the far MPP for you. And the delegates in your confidence say me bar I will create jobs and they are the first people to get appointment in the business.
Thank you very much. So our listeners are following their leaving comments. We have, to our Facebook comments, we have this one from Imoran Plantrawara saying, watching live from Accra Airport. Thank you very much. From Momuni Sedu says, good morning, watching you from Kakbrepe electoral area, Kakbrepe to be precise. Honorable Ken, you are too much the next president. I am Red Scorpion from Kakbrepe. Thank you very much, Red Scorpion. Keep the fire burning from Zakaria Jalil Akoso from Mahama. Soma says he is good. Yes, okay. Thank you very much for contributing.
Enti mimianom we ene nsema Kennedy edebeto abonten mesle wa seja chewadwen e comment section ho say what do you think? Is it a good idea say he's not going to criticize John Mahama because he don't want to have 11 cents of Kennedy Agyapong? Is it good say a potential opposition leader I not say uncriticize the sitting president now? Tell me your mind at the comment section box. And then tell me your mind at the comment section box. Now you who also the original FA Kennedy Agyapong candidature to be the potential flag bearer of the party. Bet you GH on YouTube and Kennedy Agyapong Jr. on Facebook. Until we meet again. Adios.